Hi guys, I'm Faye Hunter, and this is how I keep myself accountable in my planning for Japan. I forgot to wrap right around. We'll do that real quick. Hoping you're having a great day. Today is day 78 of our planning. I just did our Japanese lesson for the day. Funds have not changed. Probably will tomorrow due to Christmas shopping. Our word for today is it's animal related. Today's word is tanuki, which is a raccoon dog. And if you've never seen one before, they are absolutely fucking adorable. Look at this little bugger. Usually they're not quite so fluffy, but they are just the cutest fuckers. It is also meant to be going to the anime side of things. It is the spirit that's inside of Gaara in Naruto. He has a Jinchuriki that he is the Jinchuriki of the One Tail Beast, which is a Tanuki. Um, I know they fit into Japanese myth somehow. I'm not entirely sure how off the top of my head though. But we're going to scooch out of the way because we're going to be in the way for this. Our steps. Yeah, we're not going to talk about the steps. We are at 7541. We are. Sorry. Today's actually day 79. I didn't record a video yesterday because I've been sick as a dog and I was barely conscious last night. I also need to fix the lighting because I'm not liking how I'm looking right now. That'll be different tomorrow. What's this one? Extra exercises? No chance. Uh, and our locations. We have a couple of locations. So I've watched a couple of videos today about different places that we could go. The first one is Fuji-Q Highland, which is an anime-based theme park, including a little hidden village, a ride that is based on Attack on Titan. Apparently, there at the very least was a uh, Neon Genesis ride somewhere in the place. I have a feeling that because it would be so easily turned into it, it might be what was turned into the Attack on Titan ride, which, if I'm right, I'm going to be so disappointed. But I wouldn't be surprised if I'm right. Because let's be real, Attack on Titan is just. Attack on Titan and Neon Genesis are the same thing. One of them is just wearing armor and the other one's not. Because the mechs in uh, Neon Genesis were just dudes in armor, girls in armor technically, angels in armor that were just girls. It's weird. It's hard to explain. Place number two is Nakano Broadway. I don't know if I've brought this up before. Actually, I almost certainly have. Nakano Broadway is one of the uh, best places to go for shopping if you want old anime stuff, old manga stuff. If you want more modern things, probably not the best place to go, but they apparently have a lot of deals to do with old anime things. They have a bunch of second-hand shops. From what I've heard, the entire area that it's in, which I cannot remember if it's, I want to say it's Shibuya or Akihabara. I can't remember which. It's meant to be a bit pervy. I doubt it. I think it's just Shinjuku. There you go. I think it's just a uh, we. It's more of a we specialize in more your what's the word I'm looking shonen and shonen shonen and seinen. That's it. Anime and manga, which inherently are going to come across that way. I'm not going to apologize for it. I think there probably are some parts. I just think it's not as probably not as bad as it's being put forward as. Place number three is the Toei Museum. I definitely didn't know about this till today, and I definitely need to go. If for no other reason than where were you? They have a fucking statue of Ogumon from 2006. I hope it's still there. But we have exhibitions on. I don't even know what kind of fucking magical girl bullshit this is, but I still want to see it. I want to say Madoka Magica. Pretty Cure. Damn. Um, Digimon vending machine. If they have Digimon anything, I need to go. That's just how it is. Toei Museum is definitely getting added to the list. Let's see. Museum. Apparently, I can't spell today. Yeah. Definitely a must see if you are a fan of Toei Animations and their products. A lot of the stuff you don't really need. The last one is Toei Character Street. It is a shopping complex, but it has so many different kinds of anime and even just Western media had characters. Uh, I don't know what the hell this is. You would not be able to put that on signs in most Western countries, though. I love the fact they've got some Winnie the Pooh rep. Pretty sure that's the same thing we were just looking at. But yeah, we're only doing a quick one today because I am still sick of the dog. Fuck, that was still 6 minutes. But hey, I've been Faye. You've been awesome. Hopefully, I'll be better tomorrow when I see you.